In this video, I'm going to show you the coolest gadgets for men that are worth buying and will make his life easier.
All of this into this. KEPR is your daily rugged essential organizer, so you can spend less time looking for the right key and more time enjoying life. Whether it's doors like these or smart ones, the sleek KEPR comes with a built-in fob that you can program to work as a digital key. The minimalist design is made from strong materials that look, feel, and are premium. In the last 16 months, we designed a kick-ass modular organizer that has you ready for any occasion. The KEPR comes with 4 optional add-ons: the Urban Traveler, USB pen, fire starter, and touchless tool. So you can add 1, 2, or even 3 at the same time to match your lifestyle. Are you the one always asking for a USB pen? Then add the sleek stainless steel USB that you can always carry wherever you go. Or the Urban Traveler that blends daily essential tools for jobs like these, with a mini hidden compartment for your SIM or micro SD cards, so you can focus less on searching for your cards and more on getting that killer shot. If the wild is more of your scene, then the Fire Starter add-on has you ready for everything from starting your own fire to hunting. Well, no, stay away from the bears. Let's not forget today's essential, the touchless tool, so you can open pretty much anything without ever touching it. Plus, it keeps your bag off those dirty floors. Whether you prefer the soft feel of the leather KEPR or the rugged grooves of the metal one, they both pack the same punch. KEPR, the multi-tool smart key organizer.
Introducing Storm 2, the ultimate see-through power bank with 100 watts power delivery in-out, created for digital nomads. With its cyberpunk design and compact body, Storm 2 is the perfect solution for power on the go. Equipped with a 25,600 mAh battery capacity, Storm 2 powers all your devices with fast charge efficiency. For air travel, Storm 2's large battery capacity is still under the safe allowable limit. No more problems at security checkpoints. Forget about all the bulky, boring power banks that leave you hanging. You only need one to solve all your problems. Storm 2's vivid IPS screen shows the battery level, as well as important parameters for charging insights. For any device, Storm 2 provides an optimal charging protocol to fit its requirements. Even a MacBook Pro can run smoothly using its stable power supply. Storm 2 even provides a DC port with adjustable output voltages ranging from 3.3 volts to 22.5 volts. With Storm 2, you can handle any work or entertainment. It's more than a power bank. It is a comprehensive device charging solution. Storm 2 is not only for indoor needs. It is also an outdoor helper. With the add-on solar charging panel, Storm 2 provides a stable power supply no matter where you go.
This is OmniFob, the first key fob for smart home and connected car. Control your everything with the simple click of a button. OmniFob is a shortcut remote to your most frequently used devices, but it can actually control over 100 different devices and scenes. We designed quick controls so you can trigger your favorites without looking at the screen. Simply double-click, long press, quad-click, or shake and click to trigger your favorites. OmniFob comes with the following features out of the box: a Bluetooth locator powered by Chipolo, a remote camera trigger, a panic button, a mini flashlight, and a removable anywhere pocket clip, so it's compatible with our modular keyport system. Not only can you attach it to your keychain or clip it to your pocket, you can also combine it with our other keyport modules or connect it to one of our key organizers to create your own personalized everyday carry solution.
Introducing the KEA KIT, the outdoor survival system with everything you need and nothing you don't to help you better prepare for all your outdoor ventures. The KEA KIT offers unmatched organisation, versatility and reliability, giving you the confidence to explore further.
Hi, I'm Matt, the creator of the KEA KIT and an outdoor adventure guide here in New Zealand. I know firsthand how quickly things can go wrong in the outdoors and how important it is to be fully prepared. Outdoor preparation hasn't changed much over the years, with most options offering unorganised and poor quality gear that doesn't even cover the basic essentials.
That's why I created the KEA KIT, because you should enjoy your adventures with the peace of mind that you're prepared for anything. The KEA KIT is built to go with you on any adventure, so we made it compact, durable and customisable. Whether it's a short hike or a multi-day adventure, the modular design allows you to take just what you need when you need it. Your gear is organised into the 5 pillars of outdoor survival: water, medical, shelter, fire and tools, giving you quick and easy access to everything you need at a moment's notice. The tough and water-resistant cases protect your gear against the elements and include over 30 items of just the most essential quality survival gear, curated by outdoor experts. Tend to wounds and bandage breaks with the multi-day first aid kit. Safely drink from any water source with our water filter straw. Shelter yourself against the elements or keep your gear dry with the durable rainfly tarp. And use the tools to repair your gear, find your way, signal help or start a fire. And if you need advice, our detailed first aid and survival guides will give you the knowledge required to respond to any situation. Whether you're hiking in the forest, camping in the mountains, fishing and hunting in the backcountry, or just heading out on the wild road trip, packing the KEA KIT means you're fully prepared for anything.
Following a year of development and testing, we have our manufacturers lined up and ready to go. All we need now is your support to make it happen.
Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.